Are you tired of chasing side hustles that never work, or trying to start a business that costs a fortune? What if I told you that you could start earning passive income from home without inventory, shipping, or a tech degree? In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 of the most profitable digital products you can start selling online in 2025, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick with me to the end, because I'll also share free tools and platforms to get started today. Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Coach Steven, and I teach smart ways to build income online through digital products, finance, and side hustles. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Let's break it down real quick. What is a digital product? A digital product is any product you can create once and sell repeatedly online. No physical inventory needed. Think PDFs, courses, audio files, templates, software, you name it. Why are they powerful? Low startup cost, high profit margins, easy to automate, global reach. Now let's dive into 10 profitable digital products you can start selling today. 1. Ebooks and guides. Ebooks are one of the easiest products to create. You can write about fitness, parenting, budgeting, or even how to grow houseplants. Use Canva or Google Docs to format them. SEO tip. People are searching for how to X. Every day, turn your knowledge into income. Online courses. Platforms like Teachable or Gumroad let you turn your skills into step-by-step courses. Whether you know Excel, video editing, or photography, you can teach it. Tip: use free content as lead magnets to sell the full course. Notion and Excel templates, planners, trackers, budgeting sheets. People love plug-and-play templates that save time. You can sell these on Etsy or Gumroad. Hot niches: business dashboards, habit trackers, student planners. Printables, planners, journals, worksheets. Printables are big on Etsy. Think meal planners, goal-setting journals. Kids' worksheets, you design them once and sell forever. Tool to use: Canva Pro for drag-and-drop templates. 5. Stock photos or digital art. If you're a photographer or artist, you can sell digital downloads. Sites like Creative Market, Shutterstock, or Etsy are great for this. Niche idea: sell minimalist wall art, business mock-ups, or flat lay stock photos. 6. Audio products, meditation, sound effects, music loops. Great for creators, YouTubers, or wellness coaches. Record-guided meditations, create beats, or even sell podcast intros. Hot right now: lo-fi background music for content creators. 7. Website themes and UI kits. Designers can create WordPress themes, Shopify templates, or Figma UI kits. Developers and designers love these assets. High-income skill. Combine design plus function for recurring sales. 8. Workbooks and educational PDFs. Great for coaches, teachers, and consultants. These help people get results through structured learning. Bonus: bundle these into mini courses for higher pricing. 9. Social media content packs. Instagram carousels, Pinterest pinned templates, or TikTok planners sell ready to use. Packs to content creators and small businesses. Everyone wants to save time growing their brand. This solves that pain. 10. AI-powered tools or prompts. In 2025, selling ChatGPT prompts, email sequences, or AI content packs is hot. These are easy to make, especially if you already use AI. Example: sell a pack of 100 Instagram caption prompts for coaches. How to start selling. You don't need a fancy website or thousands of followers to start. Here's how you can begin today. 1. Choose one digital product idea that matches your skills. 2. Use Canva, Notion, or Google Docs to create it. 3. Upload and sell on Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, or even your own site via Shopify or Podia. 4. Use free traffic from YouTube, Pinterest, or TikTok to promote it. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more digital income tips, and comment below. Which digital product are you going to try first? And hey, if you want a one-on-one business coaching section to help you start selling your first digital product, send me a message on WhatsApp using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start is now.